Hey, what is up, everybody? This is Coach Mac, and I'm going to be here to show you how you would share a document with us. I'm going to give you two examples, starting off with Google Docs. We're going to be using Google Docs a lot this year. If you were to do this, you would type up your project, your document, whatever it may have been. And if we tell you, hey, share it with us, that way we can check it. Maybe you need to share with a partner in a collaboration project, whatever it might be. Go to that top right corner, and you will see in this case, it is a blue button that says share. Very simple. We'll click that blue button, and you will get a list of emails. Now, let's say I wanted to send it to Coach Oliver, another biology teacher. Let's say, so her email would then pop in. I can change whether or not she's an editor or a viewer. We'll tell you, if it's maybe from a teaching perspective, you might just want to send it to us as an editor. That way we can help you out, write messages on there and give you feedback. And then you just hit send. And once you hit send, we have access to the document, and you can see when we are in it, just like we can see when you are in it. So that's Google Docs. Let's go over to Google Slides. Now, same idea. You would put together your slideshow, would go to that top right corner. Now, instead of a blue button, I have an orange yellow button. I'm gonna hit share. Again, I want Coach Oliver to see this. I would start typing in her email, it would pop up, same concept, and I would hit send. So that is the way in which, if you hear us ever say, share your documents with us, that is gonna be the protocol that we would like you guys to follow. Thank you.